Hey there, design enthusiasts. Welcome to tutorial number 906, How to Round Corners in Figma for 2025. If you're working on UI designs, logos, or any digital mockups, rounding corners can make your elements look more polished and user-friendly. It's a simple skill that can elevate your designs from basic to professional in no time. Today, I'll walk you through the steps using Figma's intuitive tools, so let's dive right in. First things first. Open up your Figma project and select the shape or frame you want to edit. This could be a rectangle, a vector, or even a custom path. Once selected, head over to the right-hand panel where you'll find the Design tab. Look for the Corner Radius option. It's usually right there under the Fill and Stroke settings. If you're using a rectangle, you can simply click and drag the slider to round the corners evenly. For more control, click on the individual corner icons to adjust each one separately. This is perfect for creating asymmetrical designs, like buttons with only rounded top corners. Now, if you're dealing with more complex shapes, like vectors or imported SVGs, things get a bit more advanced. Select your vector layer, then use the Vector Editing mode by double-clicking it. Here, you can manually adjust the anchor points to curve the corners. Figma also has a handy plugin ecosystem. Search for Corner Radius plugins in the Community tab if you need even more customization options. Remember, always preview your changes by toggling between Edit and Prototype modes to see how it looks on different devices. One quick tip. Keep your designs consistent by setting a global style for corner radii. This saves time and ensures your project has a cohesive feel. And if you're new to Figma, don't forget to check out their official documentation for more in-depth features. There you have it. Rounding corners in Figma is straightforward and fun. Practice this on your current project and watch your designs come to life. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.